Hello everyone. For this video, we will be solving rational inequalities. Given tayo ng x plus 2 over x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Meron lang tayong susundin na certain process and we will be doing some test bago natin masolve yung ating inequality. For our first step, kailangan muna natin kunin yung ating critical points. At magagawa natin yun by equating our numerator tapos yung denominator natin to 0, and then kukunin natin yung value ng ating x. Kaya let's start with our numerator, x plus 2. Para makuha natin yung ating critical point, we have x plus 2, and then equating to 0. Our first critical point is, ililipat natin yung 2 sa kabilang side ng ating equation para masolve natin yung x. Our x is just equal to, yung positive 2 natin, this will become negative 2. This is our first critical point. Then para sa pangalawa naman, ang concern natin ay yung ating denominator. Same, we will be equating it to 0. We have our x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then solving for the value of x, then yung 1 naman ang ililipat natin sa kabila, yung negative 1. So this will become our x is equal to positive 1. Then nakuha natin yung ating dalawang critical points. We have our negative 2 and positive 1. For our next step, we will be plotting our critical points sa ating number line. So drawing, so simula tayo sa gitna, 0 and then 1, 2, and then 3. So you may extend it as you go. Tapos sa negative naman natin, we have yung ating negative 1 and then negative 2, tapos negative 3. Tapos tignan natin yung ating critical points na 1 and negative 2. I-plot natin siya dito sa ating number line. Our negative 2 is here, tapos ang positive 1 naman natin ay nandito. Iwan ko muna siya as an open circle, and then i-analyze na lang natin siya later on. Then for our third step, ito yung pinakamahaba, we have to test our inequality. At yung test point natin ay syempre yung ating critical point na negative 2, tapos yung positive 1, tapos etong interval in between them, tapos yung interval din before negative 2 and after our positive 1. Kaya kailangan natin gumawa ng test dito sa limang area na to. Simula muna tayo sa ating critical point. We have our negative 2. Balikan natin yung ating inequality na given. We have x plus 2 over x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Then ang gagawin lang natin, ipapalit natin yung point na tinetest natin, in this case negative 2, sa lahat ng value ng ating x. Kaya doing that, so writing our inequality, we are testing at negative 2. Then, yung x natin ay papalitan natin na negative 2. We have yung x plus 2 will become negative 2 plus 2. Tapos, yung denominator natin, we have x minus 1. Yung x ay magiging negative 2 din. So, this is negative 2 minus 1. Tapos, our inequality, so this is less than or equal to and then 0. Then solve natin siya. We have our numerator. This is just equal to 0. And then yung denominator natin, negative 2 minus 1, this is negative 3, is less than or equal to 0. And then 0 divided by negative 3, this is just equal to 0 and then less than or equal to 0. Tapos, titignan natin kung tama ba yung inequality natin. Since our 0 is equal to 0 at yung inequality natin is less than or equal to, then we can say that this is true. Kaya balikan natin yung ating number line. Dahil tama yung inequality natin, the value of x exists dito sa ating negative 2, kaya lalagyan natin siya ng shade kasama yung ating negative 2. Then for our next critical point, dito naman tayo sa ating positive 1. So let me write down our inequality here, yung ating x plus 2 over x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0 para hindi na tayo babalik dun sa taas. Magte-test naman tayo at positive 1. So let me write down at positive 1. Then substitute natin yung 1 sa values ng ating x. So we have our x plus 2 will become 1 plus 2. Tapos denominator, we have x minus 1 is 1 minus 1. This is less than or equal to 0. Then performing the operation, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 1 minus 1, this is 0. Is less than or equal to 0. Kung mapansin natin dito, if we divide by 0, this will become undefined. Kaya dahil naging undefined to, ibig sabihin at positive 1, hindi siya kasama dun sa value ng ating x. Hindi natin na-satisfy yung condition ng ating inequality at positive 1. Kaya kung babalikan natin yung number line natin dito, hindi kasama si positive 1, kaya iwan nating open yung ating bilog. That's it for our critical points. Then, kunin naman natin yung area before and after our critical points. Dito muna tayo sa area na mas mababa kay negative 2. You can select any number, pero in this case, yung susunod na mababa na lang pipilian natin, let us select negative 3. So, pwede kayong kumuha ng negative 4, negative 5, nasa inyo naman yun, pero for our example, kukunin natin yung negative 3. So, let us test at negative 3. Then same, we substitute yung value ng ating negative 3 sa lahat ng ating x na nandito. Tapos titignan natin if it will satisfy yung ating inequality. So, we have x plus 2 will become negative 3 plus 2. Denominator, we have x minus 1 is negative 3 minus 1. Yung inequality natin is less than or equal to 0. Then as we compute, we have negative 3 plus 2, this is negative 1. Tapos we have negative 3 minus 1, this is negative 4. And then still less than or equal to 0. Kung mapansin natin, ang ating numerator is negative and denominator is also negative. If we divide integers with the same sign, then ang sagot natin is positive. Kaya we can simplify our negative 1 over 4 as positive 1 over 4. Tapos, yung inequality natin, so this is still less than or equal to 0. Kung titignan natin, yung positive 1 over 4, this is already a positive number, hindi siya mas mababa or pareho sa ating 0. So, ibig sabihin, yung area na tinignan natin ay hindi kasama dun sa ating inequality. So, as we go back with our number line, etong area na nandito, yung mas mababa kay negative 2 ay hindi kasama dun sa ating inequality. Then, we test our next point, yung nasa pag-itan ng ating negative 2 and positive 1. Pili na lang tayo. Siyempre, yung mas madali ang kukunin natin, let us go with our 0. So, magtetest tayo at 0, papalitan natin yung value ng x natin na nandito to 0. So, let us solve that. Let us do our test. Dito na lang sa baba. So, we solve at our x is equal to 0 at 0. Ito yung tetest natin. Yung x plus 2 natin na given will become 0 plus 2. Tapos, yung x minus 1 naman sa denominator, this will become 0 minus 1. So, this is less than or equal to 0. Then, as we compute 0 plus 2, this is just equal to positive 2. Tapos, 0 minus 1, this is negative 1. And then, less than or equal to 0. Since magkaiba yung sign nila, as we divide, ang sagot natin is negative. 2 divided by 1, 2. Negative 2 is less than or equal to 0. Then, tignan natin kung tama yung inequality natin. Yung negative 2, since this is a negative number, this is less than our 0. Mas mababa siya, kaya yung inequality natin ay tama. So, at 0, we can say that our inequality is correct. We were able to satisfy our inequality. Kaya yung terms na nasa pag-itan ng ating negative 2 and positive 1 dito sa ating number line, they are included sa value ng x sa ating inequality. Kasi again, nasatisfy natin yung condition at 0. So, this is the reason kung bakit tayo gumagawa ng test. And then lastly, dito naman tayo sa nasa kanan ng ating positive 1. Kunin natin yung susunod na number, we have positive 2. Itetest din natin, isa-substitute natin siya dito sa ating values ng ating x. Kaya yung ating x plus 2 will become 2 plus 2. So, let us test this. We are at positive 2. So, let us write down at positive 2. Yung ating x plus 2 will become 2 plus 2. And then yung ating x minus 1 will become 2 minus 1. And then same, this is less than or equal to 0. Then we compute 2 plus 2 is 4. And then 2 minus 1 is just 1. Is less than or equal to 0. 4 over 1 is just 4. Less than or equal to 0. As we check our inequality, yung 4, this is not less than or even equal to 0. Kasi yung 4, this is greater than 0. Kaya, hindi natin na-satisfy yung ating inequality at 2. Dun sa nasa right side ng ating positive 1. Then, kung babalikan natin yung ating number line, ibig sabihin, yung part na nandito ay hindi kasama. So, we are left with this value sa ating number line. Dahil na-test na natin yung lahat ng area, doon sa ating mismong critical point na negative 2 and then positive 1, tapos yung area before, area between, tapos yung area after, then eto na yung value ng ating inequality. We only have to transfer this on our set builder or interval notation. So we follow our number line. Dito ko na lang sulat sa taas. So hatiin natin siya dito. Our set builder notation, kung titignan natin, yung value ng ating x ay nasa pagitan ng ating negative 2 and then positive 1, pero hindi kasama si positive 1. So as we write our set builder notation, so ilalagay ko na lang ay SBN, set builder notation, we have our x such that yung x natin ay pinagigitnaan ni negative 2 and then positive 1. Pero, for our inequality, dahil yung negative 2 natin, kung mapansin natin, ay shaded, kasama si negative 2, so we will be using less than or equal to. Yung equal to ang crucial dito. Tapos, dito naman sa ating positive 1, kung mapansin natin, this is open, hindi kasama si positive 1, ang gagamitin natin dito is just less than. Kaya we can interpret na yung value ng ating x using our set builder notation ay nasa pagitan ni negative 2 at positive 1, pero dahil merong equal sign dito, this is less than or equal to, kasama si negative 2, and then dahil less than lang to, hindi kasama si positive 1, tama yung interpretation natin ng ating number line. Then lastly, for our interval notation, lagay ko na lang is in, kukunin lang natin yung dulot-dulo, in this case, si negative 2 and then si positive 1. Pero dahil si negative 2 ay kasama, shaded yung ating part na nandito, then ang gagamitin natin is a bracket. Kapag kasama, bracket, and then for our positive 1, dahil hindi siya kasama, then ang gagamitin lang natin ay parenthesis. Ibig sabihin, yung x natin ay nasa pagitan ng negative 2 and 1, tapos dahil bracket to, kasama si negative 2, and then dahil parenthesis to, hindi kasama si positive 1. Now, we were able to solve for our inequality and nailagay natin yung sagot natin sa ating set builder notation at interval notation.